the ribbon cutting. Okay, so mga video na kita. Okay, and sa kagunting, asa sa kagunting. Sa kagunting ng John. Okay, and of course, no? With the presence of all leaders in Leyte, headed by Mr. and Mrs. Heidi Cuyag as their co-leader. Today, August 16, 2024, the BCO of Ormoc is now open to serve everyone all over the world. Okay. Once again, BCO Ormoc is now officially open. Okay. So we are inviting everyone to please